Distinguished Edolites, I rise on behalf of the Board of Trustees of this great party to thank you for being here today. In fact, we never expected that we will meet any single soul here. In fact, we thought that by the time we arrive here, all of you will have been arrested. But we thank God that when a struggle, when there is a movement, you cannot kill everybody. So I appreciate your struggle, your commitment to this party. I also want to speak to my in-laws. You gave me a very wonderful one here. And I'm very proud that I'm here today to see my in-laws. And I'm begging you please to come out on the 21st, that is next week Saturday, with your card. That's what matters. Don't be intimidated. Vote and remain there and ensure that your vote is counted. But for want of time, those who spoke before me have already spoken. I want to avoid being repetitive, but I have a simple message to the INEC chairman. I have a simple message to the INEC chairman. He should not announce results until it's very sure. He should not be intimidated. He should create a level playing field for everybody, so that he will correct the wrongs of last year and then go to his retirement, a clean man for his family. So that's just my message. But as for you, the youths, don't be afraid. PDP will win this election come on the 1st of September 2024. Thank you.